welcome back to the Mojave Gardener. Today we're transplanting some of our starts into the grow bed over here. I've already got some transplanted in there. Right now we only have one bed working. The other one had a small leak in the drain, so I had to drain it. I'm letting it dry so that I can put some silicone on there, food grade silicone, to seal the leak. And let me bring you up here and show you the plant. Okay, here's the plants we've got in there. Some lettuce and some cauliflower. A couple plants of cauliflower in there. They get pretty big, so I'm not going to use too much space up with them. Just trying this for the first time. So, and then coming over here, we also have some of our lettuce, different types of lettuce I put into the A-frame. So far, we're going to see how that works. And later on today, we're going to be planting a lot of this lettuce probably in our beds outside, and also planting a bunch of seed, as today is supposed to be an excellent day for planting seeds for above ground crops. We have some new plants out here. They are, that's broccoli, just sprouting up. And down here we have some flowers to attract the bees into our garden. They're just coming up. I just put water in there, so they're pretty wet. And that's it for the moment. We'll come back as we start transplanting some more. Okay, we're back in the greenhouse here. We made the repairs to the second grow bed, and I'm going to show you what I did here. Okay, had to dig everything out here and remove everything. We'll look down in here. Hopefully I hold this correctly. You can see the bulkhead down there. I had to put silicone in between the riser here and the bulkhead, and then we put silicone between the bottom cap and the grow bed. So, and see, I still haven't put everything back together here, but I'm letting everything dry and set before I put it all back together. And then hopefully that'll be tomorrow morning. And we ran into town and picked up some more gravel for the floor to bring it up, make it easier to get into the bed. In the past I had ran out of money for buying more rock, and this time I bought just some cheap recycled rock. Had a lot of dirt in it, so I'm hoping that most of that works its way down eventually. I tried washing it and all it did was float to the surface, so still need to get another load in here to bring everything up to the level that I'd like to have it. But that does it for today. We'll come back tomorrow and I'll show you the grow bed put back together and filled, and hopefully we can get it filling with water and get some more of the lettuce in there. Okay, it's the next day and we're back out in the greenhouse and got everything put back together. We planted a few more plants in the flood and drain system and also in the A-frame. Things are doing well. We went to Home Depot and got some more strawberry plants. Probably going to plant them out in the garden. I might try one of them in the A-frame. But we found out that we don't have enough water flow for both grow beds. And I've got to figure out how to up that flow. Probably get another water pump and pump directly into the bed from the sump for that. So that would take time and money to get another water pump, but we're doing pretty good. I'm going to bring you in and show you any changes that we might have done here. I say we have a few more plants in the flood and drain there. We brought some more plants out from inside the house that are starting to come up from seed. And we've got a few more plants in here. We're trying to find a good way to secure the water lines into each plant, and so that they don't fall out and that they keep water on the plants. So, still working on that. So, I think that's going to do it for this clip. And if you like our videos, subscribe and hit the like button and click that bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. So have a good day and keep gardening.